Hi, my name is Caden, here on staff at Turf Wars, and today I'm following up with the Nerf Rival Hades. Let's get into the video. So the Hades here still works after the 5, how many months have we had this gun? Like 8? We've had it for a while, pretty much since it came out, and all of them have worked. We've had like 3 die, and they're super easy to fix. It's way easier to fix than the Artemis over there. The Artemis takes, I've opened up probably about 30 or 40 Artemis, and every time something goes wrong or they work for a little bit. So the Hades is actually better or easier to put back together. It's super handy. The only problem with it really is sometimes it'll stick, and it's mostly the arena, just all the turf in the arena. It's very skunks up the gear systems and whatnot. That's really all I have to say about this. It's still a very good blaster, and it was very cheap. All of ours were from Ross, or I think Academy. We got them for like 20 bucks when Academy got rid of all their Nerf codes.
Walmart.
Oh, we got it from Walmart. I'm being told this now. Anyways, that's my follow-up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe down there. There's a little box. It helps out our channel. It makes it grow. Hit like if you liked it, dislike if you dislike it, and follow our social medias or look at them. I don't really care, but we post a lot more Nerf things on it, so if you like Nerf, you'll most likely enjoy that. Thank you all for watching. This is me signing out.